guys, welcome back to another channel. Today I am making a vlog from BMW. This is his remote and it can turn, but I have no cell. And this car is BMW. And this car is BMW. And it is open door. It is open doors and it has, you can see, these blue stripes. And his tire is very fast. And look at the back side of it. This is BMW from Canada. So I just asked for it to bring it for me. And it don't turn on because it don't turn on because I had enough time of it, so this is my car and look at his logo. This is his logo. All it has blue, white, blue circle, and it's written BMW. And look at this. What is it written? BMW. So when will Raju uncle bring? Somebody is calling me. Can you see, Papi?
No one's calling you.
Yes, somebody said Abdullah. आपका भाई स्कूल में?
Your winter wonderland. Remember? Okay, you can continue your video.
Okay,
Do you want me to stop the video? I think you should keep it short.
So, Papi, can you look at somebody's calling me? Can you see Raju uncle is here?
He's in the area. If he'll be here, he'll call me. Don't worry. You continue.
Please see it. It will be fun. It's open again. Now bye guys. If you like this video, so share, like and subscribe करें और बेल आइकन को ना दबाना भूलें।